Guys, tingnan nyo guys, Walter Coins, United States 2001. Ayan guys, oh, tutok lang. Balik natin. Ayan, quarter dollars. Ayan guys, kita nyo guys. Ayan ah, tutok lang, tutok Walter Coins. Comment lang, comment.